Hello there, this video is for you if you're attempting to select between two of the best phones money can buy, a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra versus iPhone 13 Pro Max. Showdown is just what you need. And before proceeding further, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Watch the full video so that you don't miss any essential information, and if you like the video, please leave your comments below and give a thumbs up. Galaxy S22 Ultra vs iPhone 13 Pro Max. Design. Samsung's Galaxy S22 Ultra just looks and feels sleeker than the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and it starts with a camera array that blends in better. The iPhone's lenses are grouped in a larger block on the device's rear. Another advantage for Samsung is that its display does not have a notch. Although the notch on the iPhone 13 Pro Max is smaller than before, it is still more distracting than the punch hole on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. While the slightly curved display on the S22 Ultra is more appealing, it can make typing and moving the cursor more difficult than necessary. The flat display of the iPhone 13 Pro Max makes it easier to use and handle. The Galaxy S22 Ultra measures 6.4 x 3.1 x 0.4 inches and weighs 8.1 ounces, making it taller but lighter than the iPhone 13 Pro Max, which measures 6.3 x 3.1 x 0.3 inches and weighs 8.5 ounces. Galaxy S22 Ultra vs iPhone 13 Pro Max. Display. The AMOLED panels of the Galaxy S22 Ultra and iPhone 13 Pro Max are both gorgeous, and neither phone is a bad choice. But I like Samsung's phone for a couple of reasons. First and foremost, the S22 Ultra shone brighter in our testing, hitting 1,359 nits. The maximum brightness of the iPhone 13 Pro Max was 1,038 nits. Furthermore, the Galaxy S22 Ultra's panel covered more of the sRGB color spectrum, 137.5% in the more demanding DCI-P3 color space, 97.4%. compared to the iPhone 13 Pro Max's 109.3% per 77.4%. However, Apple's panel has an advantage in terms of color accuracy, with a delta E score of 0.21, where 0 is perfect. The S22 Ultra performed marginally worse, scoring 0.25. I particularly enjoy that the Galaxy S22 Ultra lets you choose between natural and vivid color profiles, as I prefer the latter when watching films. Galaxy S22 Ultra vs iPhone 13 Pro Max. Cameras. The Galaxy S22 Ultra joins this battle with a 108MP main camera with a bigger sensor than the S21 Ultra, allowing for more light. In addition, a 12MP ultra-wide lens and two 10MP telephoto lenses provide up to 10x optical zoom and 100x space zoom. The iPhone 13 Pro Max comes with three 12MP lenses, primary, ultra-wide, and telephoto. Apple also expanded the size of the primary sensor to allow more light into the device. However, the iPhone 13 Pro Max only has 3x optical zoom. The iPhone 13 Pro Max gets off to a solid start with this interior image of chrysanthemum blooms. More details can be seen in the petals on the right side, whereas the S22 Ultra appears to struggle with this close-up photo. In night mode, the Galaxy S22 Ultra produced a brighter and more crisp image than the iPhone 13 Pro Max. The plants, litter, and snow can now be seen more clearly. In this night mode photo of a bar cart, I'd say the two phones are tied. The image on the Galaxy S22 Ultra is brighter and shows the decorations on the right more clearly, but the glasses and kettle and bottle in the distance are clearer on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. The shot from the S22 Ultra has a yellowish tint to it. The Galaxy S22 Ultra has superior portraiture thanks to an AI stereo depth map function that separates the person from the background, but the overall image quality in this shot isn't nearly as outstanding as the iPhone 13 Pro Max. While I prefer the warm tone of the Samsung image, my face and clothing appear brighter and more defined on the iPhone. With this photo of fruit at a supermarket store, the iPhone 13 Pro Max takes the prize. The pears have a more natural tone, but the colors on the S22 Ultra are oversaturated. The same is true for the oranges on the right. This selfie comparison is difficult to make. I prefer the more evenly lit photo provided by the Galaxy S22 Ultra's 40MP front camera, while the iPhone 13 Pro Max's shot is brighter and offers more detail in my jacket. Do you agree with this selection of phone? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, like it and subscribe to see more content like this. I have many more videos about technology on my channel. Check it out. Until next time.